So the next step is to take a look at the Disco library. And after you do this, what I would like you to do is comment below in the class comment area about the question that you might want to ask your students. So before I asked you 3 questions, you can ask 1 question, multiple questions, whatever you think your students would want to answer or that you want to assess your students on. So if you click here on this PDF, this is another really great resource that I found. I can't take credit for it. It's off of Amazon, I think. But it is showing you exactly what the Disco or Discovery Library is. It shows you how to access it, how to share the topic, and how to add it to one of your grids. And remember, the term grid means your class. So it's kind of like finding a really great video and adding it directly to your Google Classroom. So this is the same thing, finding a really great topic, adding it to your grid or classroom within Flipgrid. So you can scroll down, read through this, and let me show you how to get to it from here. So again, we're going to go to Flipgrid. Make sure you're signed in as yourself, and you're just going to go to flipgrid.com, and up at the top, you see Activity, My Grids, Mixtape, and Disco Library. So you should be in your teacher section, not signed in under Piacenti staff. You shouldn't have any codes. What you need to click on is Disco Library. From here, you have some featured topics, and then you have 4,000 topics within this library to search. So you have some science. So this one, let's see, conservation of mass. When you click on that, their question is, what is mass? That's all it is. Super simple. The kids can respond in a 1-minute answer. Mass is blah, 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 blah. And you have a quick understanding of what the students know and who you might need to give a little extra support to, and vice versa. If you want to add it, you're going to select grid, find your class you want to send it to, and then you click add. Now this kind of goes into our next task, so I'm going to stop this video right here and I'll continue on a little more in our next task. But all I want you to do for this task is determine a topic that you would like to teach. And check out things, like I said, within the Disco library that might spark some ideas, or on your previous PDF that I set up for you, which was under this assignment, the resources. These codes have some great ideas too. Or think about what you're currently talking about in class. Is there a topic that you want to just get a quick assessment on? Is there a book talk that your students might be doing and you want them to respond to a question? Who are the main characters? How did this make you feel within the book? So that's what you can do. And all I need you to do for this task is to post in the class comment area the question you will be asking your students. So for example, I really liked that what is mass question within the Disco library. So in the class comment, I would type, my question I would ask my students is, what is mass? And then I would click post. So that is what I'm asking you to do for this task. Okay, good luck exploring.